all the time. Paint and play, trees to climb. Tell each other everything. Have great times and dance and sing. Be best friends from the start, 'cause you share your great big heart. We have fun, we laugh and play. Silly games every day.
Spin me round,
When I'm down,
make a smile.
from a frown,
Turn me round,
like a top.
and I never, never, never want to stop.
I love dancing, yes it's true. I love grooving when I'm with you.
Beat a tapping, arms out wide, spinning with a great big smile. Spin me round,
When I'm down,
make a smile.
from a frown,
Turn me round,
like a top.
and I never, never, never want to stop. I'm so happy when you're near, hand in hand you're always here. Spin me round,
When I'm down,
make a smile.
from a frown,
Turn me round,
like a top.
and I never, never, never want to, never, never, never want to stop.
Hi, I'm Tim.
Hi, I'm Casey.
Hi, I'm Stevie.
Hi, I'm Lauren.
Hi, I'm Felly.
And together, we're Hi-5.
Hi, guess what? My grandma's going on holidays and I'm bunny sitting her pet rabbit while she's away. This is going to be Bunny's house, but it's not finished yet. Got to put the box in where the bunny's going to sleep. My grandma has a bunny and it's coming here to stay. I'm making it a house so it can eat and sleep and play. You might think it's funny that my grandma has a bunny, but I'm glad she has a bunny, 'cause it's coming here to stay. Great! Now this house has 2 spaces, somewhere small to sleep and somewhere big to hop. Hey, Freddy, hey! Is Grandma here already? Thought I heard someone call out, hey. Oh, look! A bucket full of hay. I wonder how this got here. I know what I can do with it anyway. I'm going to make the bunny a soft bed, a warm and cozy bunny bed for Grandma's bunny. Now, when you're bunny sitting, you have to feed the bunny and make sure it has fresh water to drink. Little pellets of rabbit food and a special water bottle where the water goes drip, drip, drip into the bunny's mouth. My grandma has a bunny and it's coming here to stay. I'm making it a house so it can eat and sleep and play. You might think it's funny that my grandma has a bunny, but I'm glad she has a bunny, 'cause it's coming here to stay. There. Somewhere to sleep, somewhere to play, something to eat and something to drink. Grandma's here with the bunny! Chop, chop, trick, what a chew! Special delivery from Grandma. I'm a very happy bunny sitter. Present for Bunny! Oop. Do you like your new house? Looks like a pot plant. I know what this is. Special carrot treat for Grandma's bunny. Hey, 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 look, you like carrot? Chop, chop, bunny, too!
Hey, this is cool.
bunny, and I love to bunny hop around with my bunny friends. Oh, look! Hopscotch, my favourite bouncy bunny game. Bunny hop, hopscotch, hop, hop, hop. 2 bouncy bunny feet, hop non-stop. Bunny hop, hopscotch, 1, 2, 3. Do the bunny hop, hop, hop with me. Nice bouncy jumping, bunnies. Ready for another go? Bunny feet close together, ready for some bouncy bunny hops. Bunny hop, hopscotch, hop, hop, hop. 2 bouncy bunny feet, hop non-stop. Bunny hop, hopscotch, 1, 2, 3. Do the bunny hop, hop, hop with me. Do you know what bunnies love to eat after some bouncy bunny hopscotch? That's right, a yummy bunny carrot. Mmm, yummy.
Apple, Casey.
Yeah, it's not just yummy, chats. When I'm finished with this apple, I'm going to plant the seeds.
To grow a new apple tree?
Mm-hmm. Because that way I can have apples anytime I like. Ew. Yuck.
What's wrong? What is it, Casey?
Oh, there's a worm in my apple. Oh, a horrible wriggly worm.
Casey, I'm surprised at you calling a little worm names like that.
But it's in my apple.
Casey, even little wriggly animals can be our friends.
Oh. Wow, that's some apple. Oh, yum. I wonder what it tastes like.
Not so fast, Casey. This is my home.
Your home?
That's right. I'm Red Wriggler, the compost worm. I turn food scraps into compost. And I live here.
Oh, well, nice to meet you, Red. How's it going?
All right. Actually, I'm a little bit thirsty. We worms do enjoy our water.
Oh, okay. Well, how about I get you a drink then? Cool. Little worm, little wriggly pal. You're such a weenie little thing, but with your teeny smile you bring a song that I can't help but sing. My friend, my chum, my buddy, little worm. Ah, there we go. How's that?
Wonderful. Oh, but that sun is a bit hot. We worms do like our shade too.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, maybe this will help. Aha! There we go. How's that?
Much better.
Anything else?
Actually, now I'm a little bit cool. We worms do like to keep warm too, you know.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see what... Aha! Maybe this scarf will keep you nice and warm. There we go. Anything else?
Now that you mention it, a few fruit scraps wouldn't go astray to help with my composting.
Oh, okay. Scraps. Aha. Well, I do have a banana peel, if that would help.
Perfect!
Little worm, little wriggly pal. You're such a weenie little thing, but with your teeny smile you bring a song that I can't help but sing. My friend, my chum, my buddy, little worm.
Thanks for looking after me, Casey.
Oh, that's okay, Red.
Now I've got something for you.
For me?
Yep. Something that'll help your apple seeds grow. It's compost, and you can take as much as you like.
Oh, wow. Gee, thanks, Red. Oh, my apple seeds are going to love this. And And when my seeds have grown into a big apple tree, you can have all my apple scraps, little worm.
I told you, wriggly animals can be our buddies too.
Yeah, you're right, chats. Wow, Red Wriggler the compost worm. What a helpful friend.
I'm a tiny little apple seed in the ground, about to grow into a big, strong apple tree. Tiny seed in the ground slowly starts to grow, rising up towards the sun from the earth below. Branches curling and unfurling, reaching for the sky. Now I am an apple tree, stretching up so high. 2 juicy apples growing on this tree. Try one more time. Grow into a big, strong apple tree. Curling up in the ground, a small round seed again. Ready to grow, little apple seeds? Tiny seed in the ground slowly starts to grow, rising up towards the sun from the earth below. Branches curling and unfurling, reaching for the sky. Now I am an apple tree, stretching up so high. And this is an apple tree waving goodbye.
I'm out in my garden camping tonight. I've got my tent, my guitar, and my torch. This is exciting, isn't it, boy?
Woof, sure is.
I thought I might be a bit scared at first, but there's a full moon and I've got my animal friends, Dog and Owl, with me. Hi, Owl.
Ooh, it's a beautiful night.
Sure is.
Oh, I'm getting a bit sleepy, though. I might sing a song to keep me awake. A song about the night. Nighttime in my garden. It's quiet and peaceful. Breeze blows, moon glows, creatures are all still. Nighttime, quiet time, sleep time soon. Ooh, ooh. Hey, you have a beautiful voice, Owl.
Ooh, thank you.
No, thank you.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. Wow! Oh, wow! Let's do that again. Ooh. We made a harmony. Let's sing a song together. Nighttime in my garden. It's quiet and peaceful. Breeze blows, moon glows, creatures are all still. Nighttime, quiet time, sleep time soon. Hey, nice paw tapping, Dog.
Thanks.
Can I have a try?
Roar.
rhythm, dog.
Rex.
My animal friends and I love making music together.
Redo.
Nighttime in my garden. It's quiet and peaceful. Breeze blows, moon glows, creatures are all still. Nighttime, quiet time, sleep time soon. Oh, it's bedtime. Night night. Ooh, ooh.
Hi-5!
Wow, what a beautiful day for a Fitbit tip. It is a fantastic day to play beach cricket.
Yeah, are you guys feeling a bit crickety?
Yeah!
It's time for another Fitbit tip. Okay, now here's the Fitbit tip. We hold the bat with one hand on top of the other, just like that. And then we stand side on to where the ball's coming from.
And remember to keep your eye on the ball. Now that we know how to bat, it's time to learn how to bowl. Face the wickets, take a step forward, and bowl the ball.
Okay, so here we go. We're ready to bat. We've got one hand on top of the other, and we're standing side on. Here we go.
One step forward and then bowl.
Yeah! Oh! Wow! Giddy up! One hand, one hand. Oh, it's
Catch
up.
it, catch it.
Oh, nearly. Good shot. High five! Oh, hi there. I'm making an animal friend today. One big, squishy beanbag and two pokey peg ears. One and two and one pointy peg nose. Right there. There. Big, squishy beanbag pet. Now what should we call you? How about Beanie? Sounds a bit like a dog. Hey, I've always wanted my own pet. Got a pet called Beanie, here we go. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. First we'll start by walking slow. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Then we'll throw and fetch and run. And we'll roll and tumble, having fun as we walk. Good Beanie, good Beanie. Well, I guess we better teach you a few tricks. Okay, so sit, Beanie, sit. Hey, good boy. Beanie's pretty good at that trick. Okay, now stay, Beanie. Stay there, stay there. Oh. Yeah, good boy, good boy. Okay, now come here, boy. Come here, Beanie. Come on, boy. Come on. Beanie's not very good at that trick. He's got no legs. But I've got an idea. Why don't we put one big, squishy beanbag pet onto a trolley with 4 wheels? Hey, how's that, Beanie? Might be a bit easier to get around. Hey, how about we go for a walk? Got a pet called Beanie, here we go. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. First we'll start by walking slow. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Then we'll throw and fetch and run. And we'll roll and tumble, having fun as we walk. What do we have here? It's a newspaper rolled up in a long cylinder shape. Hey, perfect for a game of fetch. Ready to play fetch, Beanie? Okay, here we go, boy. And fetch. There we go. Fetch, Beanie. Go and get them. Oh, you might need a bit of a hand. Okay, here we go. And go, Beanie. Fetch. Oh, come back, Beanie. Don't run away. Beanie, he's not the best trained Beanie around. Come on, come back here, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, come back here. Whoa, stop licking me, Beanie. Settle down, boy, settle down. You're very excitable, aren't you? Hey, you know what the best thing about Beanie is? He's soft, cuddly, and loves a big cuddle. Good Beanie, good Beanie.
Friend Circus. These beanie friends are going to be performing amazing circus tricks for you. Up, 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 up we go. Up in the air and on with the show. Twisting and turning and tumbling all around. Right way up, then upside down. We're circus performers putting on a show. We're ready to get up and go, go, go. Great show, Beanie Animals. Now for the grand finale. 3 beanie animals, twisting, turning, tumbling in the air. I hope I can keep you all in the air at once. I know. Here's a mat for a soft landing, just in case. Ready for the show. Up, 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 up we go. Up in the air and on with the show. Twisting and turning and tumbling all around. Right way up, then upside down. We're circus performers putting on a show. We're ready to get up and go, go, go. Ta-da! Once there were 3 flower friends living in a garden. Hello, Pat. Hello, Fergus.
Hello, Margaret.
Have you heard the latest news?
Oh, do tell. You're always up with the latest from your spot in the garden.
Well, you know Ginger the garden gnome.
Oh, yes, good old Ginger.
Yeah, well, he's packed his bags and finally moved next door. They get a lot of morning sunshine over there. Good for his old bones.
Oh, that is the news of the morning. Ha! I never thought old Ginger would take the plunge and do it.
Good for him.
So true. Seems there's always something happening in the garden.
Out in the garden, under the sun, playing with friends is lots of fun. Smelling the flowers, hearing the bees, playing with friends under the trees.
Oh, and did you see what Maggie Magpie did yesterday?
Hello, flowers. I'm Brendan B. What?
Oh, she stole a peg off the clothesline.
Oh, never.
It was the funniest thing to see, and we almost lost a sock.
Excuse me. These flowers are a chatty lot.
Then she put the peg in her nest.
Excuse me.
Oh, the things that magpie does.
Yes.
She's a real laugh.
Never mind.
Then one day it was Fergus Flower's birthday, and everyone was celebrating. Happy birthday, Fergus!
Hey, Fergus, I've made you a card.
Oh, thanks, Pat. That's so sweet.
Oh, I'll just walk over with it.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. I'm a plant. I can't walk.
Oh.
Never mind. I'll jump over with it. Here goes. Oh, wait a second. I'm a plant. I can't jump either.
What if you can't walk and you can't jump? How are we going to get the card to Fergus?
I know. I'll throw it. Oh, no. Plants can't throw things either.
Oh, this is a big problem.
This is a huge problem. I'd really like to give Fergus his birthday card, but I have no way of getting over there.
So for a change, the flowers stopped talking and tried to think of a way to solve their problem. Brendan saw his chance to finally introduce himself.
Maybe I can help. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Brendan B.
Well, hello, Brendan B. It's lovely to meet you. I haven't noticed you around the garden before.
Well, you all are very, very chatty. But anyway, now that we've met, maybe I could lend you a hand, or should I say a wing?
Oh, whatever do you mean, Brendan B?
Well, I have wings, so I could take your card and fly it over to Fergus.
Wow, you do that?
Sure, that's what friends are for.
Out in the garden, under the sun, playing with friends is lots of fun. Smelling the flowers, hearing the bees, playing with friends under the trees.
Oh, thanks, Brendan. Thanks, Pat. Hey, Brendan, would you like a refreshing drink of nectar for your troubles?
Sure.
From that day on, Brendan the bee helped the flowers by carrying things for them.
Hey, Brendan, would you mind taking these sunglasses over to Margaret for me?
Sure. I'd love to.
You're a legend.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Brendan.
Oh, how about a bit of nectar?
Yes, please. You flowers are the best friend a bee could ever ask for.
Yeah!
And so that's how the 3 flowers and the bee became the best of friends.
Out in the garden, under the sun, playing with friends is lots of fun. Smelling the flowers, hearing the bees, playing with friends under the trees.
Come on, let's buzz over there for some more fun. Woo!
But we're plants!
We hang out all the time, paint and play, trees to climb, tell each other everything, have great times and dance and sing. Been best friends from the start, 'cause you share your great big